Game can't find its code because of the PhysX 3, Cooking 86 DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I'll show you how to restore that connection and start playing. As we prepare to fix PhysX 3, Cooking 86 manually, consider the professional maintenance path for a more stable workstation. This is the PhysX 3, Cooking 86, the 32-bit PhysX Cooking library. It manages the unmanaged conversion of 3D geometry into optimized physics manifests, facilitating the data link for real-time collision detection. With that background out of the way, here is how we actually restore the missing component. Errors involving PhysX 3, Cooking 86 DLL typically suggest that the NVIDIA PhysX files within your host software are truncated or missing, and a fresh installation of that program is the best way to fix the internal directory. When a standard reinstall doesn't cut it, we move to advanced diagnostic steps to ensure the system is properly configured. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with PhysX 3 Cooking 86. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. Restart unsuccessful? No problem. Let's jump straight into step 3. Remember to pause the video if you need to double-check your inputs. If the library remains missing, you should manually clear the program's cache and then download the latest build from the developer's website. Removing the old application data before running the new setup ensures that your DLL file is correctly placed in the root directory without interference from legacy files. Why are we doing this? Well, many applications will try to use existing local data even after a reinstall, and manually clearing the folders forces the software to establish a fresh connection to its dependencies. While we've identified the fix, it's vital to discuss how to keep your environment secure from common threats. Replacing PhysX 3, Cooking 86 without a proper diagnostic environment can lead to DLL hell, where multiple conflicting versions of the library paralyze your operating system's ability to load software. Let's conclude by looking at how a system maintenance utility can help keep your performance optimized and your libraries synchronized. The repair utility linked in the description provides structured information on managing PhysX 3, Cooking 86, and system health. If this fix repaired PhysX 3, Cooking 86 dependency issue, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure and stable PC.